Oh, I was about to say, it's like when somebody pays you to hiccup again, but actually, I'm like,
Look at me.
no.
Try not to hiccup. Go on. Try your very best to not hiccup. That wasn't very good. Try better. Go on. You're not going to hiccup now. No hiccups. Go on. Oh, have you stopped? Maybe they stopped. Nope, they didn't stop.
Oh,
Oh dear. What's giving you hiccups?
probably too much wine. So laughing.
It's not funny. Well, actually, it is quite funny.